to the beat. She can make you feel way up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Mirror pleaser. In love with the new me. From cutie to true beauty. I'm about to do it. You ain't never been touched. You ain't never been. Till you've been touched by LaFone.
So I'm going to take whatever's left over on the back of my hand and bring that here, because that's going to later on help your contour pop. And place the rest right here. Okay, so now that we got that out the way, time to use our powder. So I'm taking my CoverGirl Outlast powder, which is broken and crushed up because now the powder finishes off the whole entire look. Look at that. Now we're going in with a Ruby Kisses matte powder foundation. Circular motion. Circular motions. Eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to add that underneath where I placed that highlight. So this is considered a transition color. So I'm taking the same powder that I used to set the rest of my face, the Ruby Kisses powder foundation. Down my nose, up into the brows. You want to create that shadow. So you take it up into the front of the brow. You see that? You take it up into the front of the brow. Same with the other side. Take it up the front of the brow. Right into the brow. See, this is your bone. Or use this contour shade. My angled e.l.f., I think this is e.l.f., right? e.l.f. angled brush. And dip it in that contour. Tap off the excess. And I'm going above. This is this little sinking area you got right there. That. Going slightly above it. Right on the bone. Directly on the bone. Right there. And I'm not going past my pupil. So this is my pupil of my eye. I am not going past my pupil. I do not want to look like I got a 4 o'clock shadow. That's not what we want. We just want to slim the face. Same thing with the other side. If you need to make the fish face, go ahead. I'm gonna add a little more. Add a little more. And you know, I got a big forehead, honey. I have to contour this forehead. And I take the leftovers and I run on the side of my nose. This with the leftovers only. And on the bottom of my chin. And here, it's just whatever's left over. I don't add anything. I feel like we don't naturally blush. So there is, MRX has an ombre blush that is like shimmer highlight. It has like these peachy undertones to them. I personally like that. So add that to my cheek. You see that nice glow it just gave me? Yes. And I'm just blending it, blending it, blending it. Cheekity cheek to cheek without being extra, because I honestly don't feel like women of color naturally blush. You know, you can comment below, you can correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't. That's just me, I don't. Now, I love highlight. You can't have enough highlight. It's not enough highlight in this world. It's not. You know, the sun just hits you just right. So I'm gonna take, this is Milani Golden Light. And of course you could say, this is my favorite side. It's like a really, really golden side. The other side is bronzy, and the middle is like a brass. Right here, high part, underneath the brow, nose, center forehead, cupid eye, and chin. And I'm going to take a brush and that same highlight I'm going to add to my tear duct. And that brightens everything up. You fully look awake. Yes. And you want to just blend. Let it fade. Let it fade like that.